everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to install a PCI Express graphics card in my HP mid-tower desktop machine. So, what's nice about this is I'll slide the case over a little bit. If you could see it, not sure, there is this right here. Now, what's nice about this is I don't need a screw to hold the card down. This does it by itself. But unfortunately, it uses a specialized screw, and I need this type of screwdriver to do it. So, this might take a little bit to get out, but that's fine. There we go. So now, this should pop out as well. There we go. So it is out now. I take my PCI Express card, and yes, I make sure it was going to fit. There we go. So now that it fits, I could put this piece back on. So as you can see, I have the card in there, and I still have two other ports that I could use, which I probably won't be using, but I have it just in case I need to. There we go. So there we go. So what I am going to do now is unhook the VGA cable from my KVM switch and put it into this new card. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the computer up, and we are going to boot the machine. Once we boot the machine, I'm going to use the HW Info 64, and we're going to see what has changed. There we go. So the card is working. So we're going to boot the computer normally. Now this card has the graphics card has a DVI-I and an HDMI and VGA, which is what's currently hooked up right now. So once this goes into Windows, I'm going to run that software again. Yes, it does look a little funny right now. That's because of the resolution is out of whack. Because it's not the original card that is running anymore. It is the add-on. So once I get that fixed, we could do it. So as you can see here, Windows is installing the driver for the card. It's going to be a generic driver. So if it says it's successful, then I can go into that information program and we can see what's going on. Okay, so just to get things rolling, I'm going to go into here. Still trying to find a driver for it. Alright, so here's the issue now. This program thinks I'm trying to run it off the ATI graphics card, which I am not. So now I'm just going to click OK. So what I can do I noticed my network cable's unplugged, so I got to plug that back in. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go optional here. That's fine. Oh, there we go. Okay. Close. Alright, let's look at the GPU. Notice the GPU has changed. So it's a GPU, it's 1 gigabit SD RAM, 64-bit. So the graphics card is 64-bit hardware. And if we go here, this is GPU 0, 405.0, 405.0, 810.0, unified. Everything else is not going to change on here because the only thing that I had changed at this particular moment is the graphics card. So there you have it. It's PCI Express 2.0 x16 5.0 GT/S at 16 2.5 GTS. This is the name of the graphics card. So I went from an ATI to an NVIDIA, which is really, really cool. So there you have it. I have a better graphics card. Actually, I got this card about 3 or 4 years ago, 5 years ago at the most. So anyway, there you have it. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, click that bell for more notifications.